Hey there everybody. As you can probably tell, I am not all done up today. I filmed a whole video earlier this week unboxing my new multi-pass from the women's fall winter 2026 collection. But as I was editing the video today, as you can see, I have all the bags out. I was filming some B-roll and I ultimately decided that I'm going to be returning this bag. I received it exactly 7 days ago, and over that past week, I've been really on the fence about whether or not I was going to keep or return the bag. So let me show you what I got and then I'll explain why this bag didn't work out for me. This is the Multipass from Louis Vuitton. This is the original full-size Multipass. They just came out with a Multipass Mini in this previous release. So this is the Multipass and this is in the seasonal color Monogram Rouge. And that was what really sold me for this bag. I love this dark burgundy color and I really love how it pairs with the monogram trim on the side of the bag and the two additional straps that come with this bag. When I first received this, I thought I might not exactly return it, but exchange it because it was sent to me in a box that was too small. I will insert some footage here from my unboxing video, which I am not uploading, but I showed in that video how the bag was too big for the box that it was sent to me in. It was just squished in the box when it was sent to me. And as a result, there were two creases in the leather in the back of the bag. One of the creases on the right side of the bag was a fairly faint crease that came out just fine. The crease on the left side of the bag was fairly deep, and even a week later, you can still see where the crease was. So that was strike one against this bag. I thought I would keep it. Even with the creases, they were coming out of the leather, so I thought I would give this bag a fair chance. However, as I filmed my review video, I was also comparing it to another bag I have. Oops, this is the Carryall PM. So I thought I would do a comparison in my unboxing video really quickly to show how these two bags compare. And as I was comparing these two bags, let me set this down really quickly, I realized how little the Multipass had to offer. So one thing I do love about the Multipass is the look of it. I love the supple leather. I love that it is a bit squishy. And I really like the look of the bag. I do like that it's not overly branded as well. If you want something that's a little more low key or quiet luxury, this is a great alternative to the Carryall. However, there are no feet on the bottom of this bag, which for me is a negative, especially for a bag of this price. This is over $3,000. I do like to have feet. I was also disappointed that this bag has just a fabric lining and there's no organization inside. There are no pockets in this bag, not even a flat pocket in the back, which I think is the bare minimum. And a lot of Louis Vuitton bags, at least, that maybe don't have pockets inside come with a pochette. This has neither of those. And compared to the Carryall, which is currently the same price in leather, $3,350. That was what I paid for the Multipass. This bag has a microfiber lining. It has a zip pocket plus two zip pockets in the back, and it comes with a removable pochette. So you get the pochette, you get pockets, and you get a microfiber lining. It also comes with feet. So as I was filming my original unboxing and comparison video, I kind of realized how little I was getting for my money with the Multipass. The other thing that changed my mind was that I am getting a lot of corner wear on the Carryall PM. It has these folded corners. That does tend to happen with bags with this style folded corner. But I was a little disappointed to see it because I do treat my bags well. This bag is just 2 years old. I got it in July 2024, directly from Louis Vuitton. I haven't mistreated or mishandled the bag at all, and it's still getting a lot of that corner wear. And the Multipass also has that same style folded corner. So as I was looking at this bag and the wear and tear I was thinking about this bag, how you don't really get a lot for it, even though I love the look and the style of this bag. And it does have these folded corners, which could lead to a lot of wear and tear in the future. And then also in my case, it was shipped to me in a small box, and the leather did get some creasing. It mostly came out, but you can still see a little bit where that one crease was in the back. So ultimately, I decided that's a pretty expensive bag. It's over $3,000. And for that price, I have to really, really love it to keep it. So I decided I will return the bag. I've reached out to my sales associate and already gotten the ball rolling. I'm going to take a look and see if there's anything else I'm ready to purchase at this point from Louis Vuitton. There's so many pieces coming out. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of previews on upcoming collections at Louis Vuitton. So definitely make sure you're subscribed if you're interested in seeing that. I also share it a lot on my Instagram page, so I'm not sure yet if I'm just going to return the bag or maybe exchange it for something else. I haven't made up my mind yet. But really quickly before we go, I do want to insert some quick footage of a color comparison between the Monogram Rouge and wine, as well as black empreinte leather, just so you can get a better idea of what this color looks like. There are some other collections coming out soon. We're getting a Damier Ebene canvas collection with a Monogram Rouge leather trim. If you're interested in that collection, I think this color comparison may be helpful to you. So I have a comparison between the Speedy 25 in wine. That was from 2023 compared to Monogram Rouge. As you can see, Monogram Rouge is a little bit darker than wine. Wine is definitely more red leaning. There is also a new empreinte leather coming out this August, on August 28th, called Grenat, and Grenat is very similar to wine. Here are stock photos of both so you can get an idea of how these compare. Wine and Grenat are very similar. The final color comparison I wanted to show you is Monogram Rouge compared to black. And then as you can see, when you compare it to black, it does appear quite a little bit lighter. And then you can see a little bit more of those red tones in the Monogram Rouge. They do show up a little bit more if you pair this with black. I hope all of this was helpful to you if you are considering getting the Multipass or the Carryall PM or something in this color, Monogram Rouge. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like or hype the video. It really does help out my channel. Again, really quick casual video today, but I do promise for the next video, we'll do a little bit more. As always, I'll leave another one up here for you to watch in the meantime. I'll see you in the next one.